In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto move emails to folders in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application, and from here, if you want to automatically move emails to folders, what you can do is you can use the rules feature for that. So from here, we can go to File, and then go to Settings, click on Mail, and then click Rules. And from here, you will see your list of rules if you already have some rules created. But if not, we can just go ahead and click on the plus button to add a rule. And then, as you could see here, you can create rules that tell Outlook how to handle incoming email messages. So, for example, if you receive an email from a certain email address, you can go ahead and use that so that you can move it automatically to a certain folder. So from here, if you also have multiple accounts logged into your Outlook application, you can go ahead and use your other accounts too. So I'm just going to use this one and then click Add Rule. And then for the name of the rule, let's choose Auto Move Emails to Folder. And then for the condition, you can use any specific condition that you want. Like if the email is from a specific person or to a specific recipient, or if you are into the line in the CC line, or if the subject includes a certain keyword and so on. So just choose the condition that you want. For example, I want my condition to be from another email address. So let's just use my other email right now, which is this one. Then for the action, we need to use the move to a folder. So just choose move to, and then you can go ahead and select a folder that you have created. And then let me just create a new folder right here. So I'm just going to name this Test Auto Move Email just for this video, and then click check. So now the folder is created, and you can also add another action if you want. And if you want to add more actions, or if you also want to add exceptions to the rule, but if not, if you're finished, you can go ahead and click on save. You could also choose if you want to stop processing other rules and if you want to run the rule immediately. So I'm just going to click save right here, and then now the rule is enabled and officially turned on. Another way that you can also create rules is that you can right click on a specific email, and then you will see the rules feature right here. You can click manage rules to go back right here to the rules page, or you can right click that email, go to rules, click create rule, and then it will automatically create a rule for this condition. For example, if the message is from this specific user, you will automatically move it to the folder right here. So you can just use this method instead. Or you can click more options so that you can go back right here to select more specific actions. And then let's go back and discard this. Since the rule is now turned on, we can go ahead and test it. So here is my other email. Let's go ahead and compose the email here. I'm going to send it to my Outlook account and then test email move to the folder. So I'm going to put that as the subject, and then for the content of the email, I'm just going to put a sample body of email here. Click send. Now it should be sent right here. So let's go back to Outlook, and then let's wait for a bit until they receive the email. Here is the test folder. So now we can see we automatically received the email inside the test folder. Now you can see the test email is here, but I think this is an old email. So I think this is the folder that we created, which is this one, Test Auto Move Email. Now we can see the email that we created. It's from our other email address, and it has the same subject, and it also has the same content of the email. So as you could see, it doesn't put it in the inbox anymore. It automatically moves it to this folder here that we selected and created, which is Test Auto Move Email. That is basically it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and check out our other tutorials.